Hello guys, so if you recall that I'd placed it on the roof. I've already placed the Starlink on the roof, but I'm already having an issue with the misalignment. It's misaligned by 32 degrees, as you can see here. Starlink does the calculations for you, but I also, if you remember that I said the roof has a slight slope. So I think that's what is causing the misalignment. I think the roof is sloping at 32 degrees. So I have to go back and try to fix that so that I can get better speeds, better connection. So I'll recommend that next time when you're setting it up, wherever you're placing it, have your phone with you so you can just do this test than having to climb back up or setting it up again. Okay, so I'll see you when I've tried to fix it. Hey guys, we are back. Finally fixed it. At least you can see that it's properly aligned, just a slight deviation, but I guess this is because of the rotation of the earth and the changes in the satellite, but I've managed to at least solve that issue. Well, partly, but anyway, I think it's the issue about the satellites shifting. But what I've learned is that it's not about the slope, it's about where the Starlink Mini is pointing at. So you tilting here, it's about rotating it at its I don't know. Like if it was facing north, you're going to have to change it to maybe try to face it east, west, south, and such. As you can see here, it's back to its showing that it's properly aligned. So there's those slight deviations when the earth is changing as the satellites are changing. But when you're having alignment issue, like it's telling you that 32 degrees misaligned, it's about you have to rotate it. So if it was facing north, you just try to rotate it from north to east, then to south. Just play around and also have your mobile phone next to it. So one of the disadvantages of the Starlink Mini is that if you're planning to use it as a residential and you're planning to put it at your roof because that's the only clear space you have, you're going to have to climb that ladder severally. But if you want to avoid that, just pick up your phone and climb once until the alignment is okay. As you can see here, it's completely at least aligned. The speeds have improved, but I have some obstructions. There's some banana tree leaves that are blocking it. I'll fix that, and I'm expecting the speed to improve. So we can do a rough test with the obstructions. We see what kind of speeds we can get from this. Even with alignment correct, but with obstructions, we are getting a 7 megapixels, which is low, but I know it's because of those obstructions that I'm going to clear out tomorrow. But even with the obstructions, as you can see, you're getting some connections that are at par or even better than the local internet providers in Kenya. So next video I'll fix the obstruction, then we'll do another test. Thank you. Hello guys, so I managed to reduce the obstructions. Last time they were high. I managed to cut down some of the tall leaves, but I still have some work, but I've reduced it significantly. Let me first check the obstructions. Yeah, the red part we used to cover like half of this area, so I'll trim the others later. But let's just do now a speed test. Let's use this, the internal Starlink speed test, and we see what you're getting. So 60 Mbps, not bad considering that there are some obstruction, there's some clouds, and plus now the router is on the roof. It has to go through the walls and iron sheet, so not bad for that. Let's try with, I don't know, maybe this again, just as a counter check 25, 32, 40, 42, 45, 40. So yeah, not bad compared to our local internet speeds. So way up there. The only issue is that obstruction that I have to now clear it to get 100% view. Plus I have to consider that the router is now is on the roof, because this is Starlink Mini. So the router is on the roof and it has to go through some walls. So overall, I'm happy. It solves my problem. Okay, thank you.